"36 rare earth magnets, over 70 shapes, instructions included." This is the mesmerizing shape-shifting box by Shashibo. This was sent to me for review. It is a balm to my fidget happy heart. Now this beauty is part of their Holographic series. If you've never used one of these before, you've got to try it. They make amazing gifts to learn how to make really cool specific 3D origami shapes. My kids love it. I love it. These are beautiful, fun. They stay together really well. This isn't flimsy. This is plastic, not paper, by the way. The magnets are a cool addition because they guide pieces together into specific shapes. So once you find a shape, it's not constantly falling apart on you. Something I love about it is that it really provides hours of fun. Whether that's mindless fun or mentally taxing fun is totally up to you. The design I have here is called Vapor from their Holographic series. Get you one.